Yeah, and I don't want to sound insensitive too. Of course, we don't want to harm the environment. If we can lessen our carbon footprint and make that smaller, that's a good thing for our business.
Yeah, and this is going to be a great way of doing that. We happen to be looking at a propane truck, which isn't even the worst of the case. But when you consider it with some of the other units you have that are working outdoors, whether they're diesel or otherwise, and you contrast it to something like this is a consistently low to zero emission producer.
That's interesting. Well, speaking of this internal combustion engine, we do get some vibration, okay? It vibrates up through our body. We've got a full suspension seat, but that doesn't really do the trick. We feel the vibration. The other thing is noise.
Yeah, it's quite loud when you compare it to an electric unit. In fact, I'd actually challenge you to take notice of the fact that this truck is running right now.
Really?
This is how quiet this unit is. In fact, it's so quiet that you can sometimes not even tell that it's on. And you might say to me, well, is that dangerous? Is that something that's unsafe? Well, no, it's not, because this unit can be equipped in many different ways to combat actually how silent it is. We can have curtain lights, strip lights, forward lights, whatever the case may be, we can back this truck up. And you're gonna find that when you have 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 units like you do running in this facility, this is a lot nicer of a sound than it would be if we were to key that truck on.
I like the fact that we could actually communicate with each other when we're out in the yard. That's interesting.
Yeah.